Okay, I just got a package of locks in from Adrian Leon in Spain. So let's open it up and see what kind of locks we have today. Okay, we got two little packages here. Adrian Leon in Spain. And we can open up from that end. Alright, let's see what we got on the first lock here. This one is a, I have no idea. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, look like a 5-pin lock. And looks like there's another half to it. 5-pin. And I can't really tell what kind of lock this is. So that's that one. Okay, we have a Euro, looks like a CVC type Euro lock. Okay, this is the bitting on the key. Okay, here's a dimple lock. Okay, I don't see a name on it anywhere. Looks like a, well, that's misleading there. Looks like a 5-pin. Probably more than that. Who knows? Okay, this is another, okay, this is a 5-pin Tessa Euro. One, 2, 3, 4, 5. Looks like maybe a 5-pin. UCEM, looks like it's got a keyway similar to a Yale, but kind of like the opposite way. Okay, and we have another okay, this is another Tessa, so this must be the other half of this Tessa. Could be. So we got two Tessa half a Euros. Okay, got a little small padlock that he sent to me. It's called an IFAM. He's already opened it, I guess. Okay, then we have another, I guess this is a CVC lock. This is a bitting on the key. Tell you what, let's push these locks over to the side. Let's see what we can do with this lock. this cylinder lock. It looks like it's a 5-pin, so it shouldn't be too bad to open. Okay, let's use the top of the keyway, and we'll try this pick. Let's go to the back. Okay, it's pin 5. Okay, there's some on pin 2 and 1. Yeah, I think he's got spools in this. Okay, let me try just a little bit deeper pick. Okay, that's pin 4 and pin 1, and it's open. Alright, let's see if we can open this thing up and look at the pins. I know it feels like it has spools in it. Okay, I think that'll work there. Okay, pin number 5, put it here, come out just like that. Pin number 4, pin number 3, I mean 2, sorry, no, it's pin number 3, getting ahead of myself. There's pin number 2, and pin number 1. Okay, let's see what we have in the bottom, and then we'll look at the pins real close. And I don't have the camera down on that. There we go. See if we can get it here. Okay, the plug, just a standard plug. There's no threading or counter milling. So let's take a close look at the pins now. Okay, this is some kind of pin with the tapered on the end. This is another mushroom type spool, And this looks like this has been picked quite a bit on that pin. It's on 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Okay, this has a standard pin, and standard pins on the bottom. This is another type of mushroom type spool. And number 5 is a standard pin on the bottom and a mushroom type spool on it. I think it come out like this. I'm not sure on this one, but I believe it come out like that. Okay, that's what we have on this lock. I appreciate it. Please do not do anything illegal, and please stay out of trouble. Let me back this up and so you can see all the pins. And I'll place the plug and the key. Okay, thank you again for watching. I appreciate it.